In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends to pick ebook topics fast and easy. Whether you're an aspiring author or simply looking to enhance your online presence, Google Trends is an invaluable tool that can guide your topic selection to align with current audience interests. So let's dive right in. First things first, begin by opening your favorite web browser and performing a quick search for Google Trends. Once the search results appear, click on the first link. This will direct you straight to the Google Trends homepage. Easy enough, right? From there, you'll want to locate the Explore button and click on it. It's here in the Explore section that you'll have access to a treasure trove of trending data and insights. Next, take a moment to brainstorm potential ebook topics. I recommend jotting down about 5 to 10 ideas that you're interested in. For example, you might consider themes like budget travel, minimalist lifestyle, or remote work tips. These will be the subjects that will soon compare for their trending potential. Once you have your list of ideas, it's time to put them to the test. Head back to Google Trends and type in your first topic. After you've done that, click the plus compare button to add the other topics from your list. Up to 5 can be compared at any given time. After entering all your topics, hit enter and let Google Trends work its magic. At this point, it's crucial to utilize the time range filters effectively to gauge stability and interest. Switch the time setting from past 5 years for insights into long-term popularity to past 12 months for any seasonal trends and past 90 days to check current trending potential. This will give you a clearer picture of how your topic fares over different periods. Don't forget to scroll down to the Interest by Sub-Region section. Here, you can see which geographical areas show the highest interest in your topics. If you're targeting a specific region or language, this insight is invaluable. Finally, take a look at the Related Topics and Related Queries sections. These provide complementary information with 2 key classifications: Rising, indicating fast-growing subtopics perfect for breakthrough ebooks, and Top, which reflects consistently searched subjects ideal for creating evergreen content. To wrap things up, review all these insights to identify the most promising topic. You'll want to prioritize topics with high overall interest, rising or stable trend lines, strong regional alignment, and an abundance of related queries. This depth will ensure that the topic you choose has a solid foundation and potential for success in the marketplace. And there you have it. A comprehensive yet straightforward process to identify and select compelling ebook topics using Google Trends. Make sure to tap into these insights regularly to keep your content aligned with what's resonating with audiences right now. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful in your ebook journey.